say with respect to that is that the investigation is ongoing.
It's not over yet.
It is not over yet.
This morning in federal district court, Siemens AG pled guilty to violations of the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act.
Siemens may be a German company, but because its stock is traded in the United States, the Justice Department can assert jurisdiction. And the department just imposed another record fine, $800 million. And that former manager of the slush funds, Reinhard Sikacek, he was convicted in a German court for his part in the bribery.
I doubt that Siemens' name has suffered. Since bribery is very common in many countries, people will only say that they were unlucky and that they broke the 11th commandment. The 11th commandment is, don't get caught.
The U.S. government had also opened its own investigation into BAE, but the British were not cooperating. So on a Friday evening in May 2008, a secret meeting was called at the Justice Department. U.S. prosecutors decided to launch an unusual operation. In a dragnet aimed at BAE systems in the United States, they served 4 executives with grand jury subpoenas. And on the same day, detained and searched the company's chief executive officer as he arrived at Houston's International Airport.
No explanation was given to him as to why this was happening. No charges were laid, and then he was allowed to go about his business. That's the way you conduct law. It's not the way I believe law should be conducted. You're busy poking around. It's got nothing to do with you. Just nothing. You should mind your own business.
What are we doing prosecuting and investigating foreign companies?
If a company conducts business in the U.S. or takes some step in furtherance of a bribery scheme within the U.S., that is the business of the United States. And those are cases that we're going to investigate and prosecute.
Mendelsohn would not comment on the U.S. investigation of BAE. But Frontline has learned that the investigation includes BAE's worldwide arms sales network, as well as the Al Yamama deal. And the Justice Department has secretly spirited at least one witness into the United States